Hey guys, in this video I'm going to cover a topic that I recently ran across, and that's about creating perspective when you have an image. So in this image here, I've got this flower bag. You probably recognize it from a previous video. But this flower bag is angled. Um, so I'd like to add a nutrition label over here to the side. Um, but I want to keep that same perspective. So to do that, we will go ahead, open up Google here, new tab, and I'm going to do a search for FDA nutrition label, and go over to images. And I think the one that I liked, probably like this one here. All right. So with this image, I'm going to copy, open up Photoshop again, and before I do, let me create a new layer. Always a good thing to do. All right, I got my new layer selected. Go to Edit and Paste. All right, so there is my nutrition label. It's very big. So if you remember in a previous video, to change the size of this, we're gonna Control T, and let's see if we can shrink this down a bit. Uh, yeah, that's about, probably go even smaller. Let's try that for right now. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to position this. I'm going to position the upper left corner to this edge here, to the upper left corner edge of my flower bag behind. And I think I'm going to line the left side of it also as best as possible. Alright, great. So once I have that, I'm now going to hold down my Alt key, and I'm going to select the upper right edge. Click and hold and see. Nope, that's not it. Let's Control Z. It is Shift. Maybe it's Shift. All right, hold down the Shift key. Click and hold the upper right hand corner. And that's not it either. But you know what? No, I want to keep perspective. Actually, I want to shrink it a little bit better. Yeah. All right. So the key I'm looking for is it Control Space? No. Control Alt. Yeah, Control Alt. All right. There it is. So if you hold down Control Alt at the same time, and then you click and hold in the upper left-hand corner, I am going to drag this up to this edge here. Let go, and as you can tell, it's starting to angle this label in the same perspective as is the flower behind it, the flower back behind it. If I do it, I can do this a little bit more. Control Alt, hold it down, and I'm gonna see if I can drag the upper right hand corner up to about maybe there. Looks good. I'm gonna come back down to this side here, the bottom left. Kind of straighten that out a bit. Yep. And I think I'm not going to hold down Control Alt. This time I'm just going to click and hold. See if I can shrink this a bit. Yeah, that's getting there. Control Alt and then space it back out. Boom. And then probably on the bottom here, Control Alt. Boom. And there, if I hit Enter now, oh yeah, that looks really nice. So now it looks as if that label belongs on this flower bag, even though they're on two different layers, and looks like they're sharing the same perspective. So that was just a quick little tutorial that I wanted to run by you guys. I hope that it's informative. You like it. Feel free to share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next one. Thanks. Bye.